Australia's Northern Territory is unique. It never had colonial status, which means it never had a blue ensign flag like the 6 states that make up the remainder of Australia, which resulted in this design by Robert Ingpen, an artist originally from Drysdale in the state of Victoria. The flag was first hoisted on the 1st of July 1978 in Darwin, and it was decided that an original design separate from the state flag should be used. The Southern Cross appears as 5 white stars at the hoist to link with the national flag. In the fly is a stylized Sturt Desert Rose, the territory's floral emblem since 1961. This has 7 petals to represent the 6 Australian states and the Northern Territory itself. The unique background colour of the ochre red along with black and white are said to be associated with the Aboriginal people of the area. The flag of the Australian Capital Territory, which came out 15 years later, is said to be based on this design. The proposed Western Australia replacement flag is also adopting this style, but you can find out more about this by clicking on this video here.